Hi there, and welcome. Are you ready to start your journey into affiliate marketing in 2025? Whether you're looking to make a side income or even build a full time business, affiliate marketing has never been more accessible or more exciting. Today, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about finding your niche. Your niche is your focus, your area of expertise or interest. In 2025, the competition is high, so you want to pick something you're passionate about, but also something that has a loyal audience. Think of niches like eco friendly living, pet care, or personal finance. Use tools like Google Trends and market research to see what's popular, but don't be afraid to specialize. Once you've picked your niche, move on to step two: partnering with affiliate programs. There are three types of affiliate partnership programs you should know. The first are high volume programs like Amazon Associates. You earn a small percentage per sale, but since the products are so popular, it can add up quickly. Option two: high commission affiliate programs like software companies offering $50, $100, or even more per referral. And finally, there are recurring commissions. Think subscription based services. Every month your referral stays subscribed, you get paid. After choosing your affiliate program, step three is where the magic really starts: building your online presence. Your online presence is your storefront. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a TikTok account. In 2025, social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even newer emerging platforms are gold mines for affiliate marketers. Focus on creating consistent, valuable content that connects your audience to the products or services you're promoting. Next up,